Welcome everyone. We are working in Revit. We're working in our school building and we're working on chapter 10 in the West Stairs. So the textbook with this set of stairs seems to make creating the stairs much more complicated than they actually are. So we may not follow the textbook exactly in this set of stairs. And in addition, there's some of the figures and images in the textbook which are either impossible to or very close to hard to read. So let's get started building these stairs. And I am going to use the dimensions that are on here on this intro sheet. So you may want to write those down. And I'm going to be creating some guide lines as we create these stairs. So let's get started. I'm going to bring Revit back up front again and navigate here while I'm in Revit to model level 3. And we're going to be working here. I'll zoom out just a little bit to demonstrate where I'm at. I'm going to be working in this area here. So notice in my file that while I'm at level 3, I don't have a floor in place yet. So I need to place a floor here pretty quickly. So I'm going to use my floor command. And because I have concrete with carpet, I guess that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to pick some walls. And then I'm going to draw a line. And I'm going to draw my line, let's see, somewhere in here. I think that's the edge of the floor below. So I will finish my line here and then pick this last wall, see if I can make this work, and then trim to a corner the radius and the line, and I now have a nice enclosed sketch. I'll click the green check, and I'm always going to click no on this, it's just my habit. And I'm going to click no here as well, which is probably not really correct. All right, so I have a floor and I can start working on stairs. So here is Rob Green's technique for working on stairs. I am going to build these stairs out in the middle of nowhere, and then I'm going to move them to the correct location. So that's certainly different than the textbook. But I've found that when I'm building stairs frequently, other objects get in the way and making selections is difficult. And I end up, when I'm working on the outside or doing an outside job, if I'm building apartment complex stairs or 3 or 4 level stairs, it's really frequent that I build those stairs 3 or 4 times before I get them exactly the way I want them. So I'm going to work out here above the building. I'll build those stairs and then I'm going to move them down into place. So to do this, I am going to use the annotate detail line, and I'm going to draw some detail lines. I'm going to draw my first line 11 feet long. I'm going to do that because I have 12 inches per riser. And hit escape, and then I'm going to use the offset command, and I'm going to offset this particular line by 8 feet. I already have that in my box, so I click on the offset, and then I'm going to draw another line. And here I want to draw the line that creates the vertical or north-south orientation of these stairs. So I have to find the correct start point of this third run of stairs. the start point is going to be 1.5 feet above this line. So I'll click 1 foot 6 inches, and it's going to be 3 feet to the left. So I'm going to click, when I get to this 3 feet preview, click that start point, and then I don't really care how long this thing is, because the number of risers will stop my stair generation. So I now have some lines that I can use to create these stairs. So let's do that. I am going to go to the architecture stair command, and I am going to draw a set of stairs that aren't my custom stairs or the correct stairs to start with, just to demonstrate the clicks needed to draw these stairs. So real quickly, we need to specify the base, we need to specify the top, and we need to specify here that we're going to be drawing along the center. So we want to go from the first floor in my file, level 1 CD, up to the third floor, which is model level 3. And on the first floor, we want the first bottom of the stairs to be 6 5/8 of an inch above the floor. The reason we're doing that right now is we're going to go back and add a custom first stair. All right, so I'm ready to draw these real quick, and it's going to require, let's see, 6 clicks, I believe. Start the first run, finish the first run. Third click is start the second run, finish the second run. Fifth click is start the third run, and notice as I extend my cursor all the way towards the north end of the screen or upper end of the screen, the stairs stop drawing, and they stop drawing when they've arrived at the correct number of risers to get all the way up to the third floor. So at this point I have a set of stairs here, and again, these are not the correct stairs, but I can click the green check mark, go back and look at this in 3D, and see that I have a set of stairs that are outside the building with some railings on it. All right, so we're going to redo this and come back and create the correct type of stairs with wood risers, wood treads, the correct railings, and the correct materials. However, this is a great break point to end this first session, and we'll pick it up by redrawing and creating the correct type of stairs in the next session. Hope this is valuable, and we'll see you in the next session.